What is going on, LEGO investors? So once again, sorry for my voice. I am dying. It's going to be a while before I get better, but I ain't going to let that slow me down. I'm going to keep making videos and I'm going to keep investing. So if you watch my videos before, you know I have absolutely been saying the LEGO market has changed. It is harder to make money, and you need to be aware of that if you are just getting into the market. You cannot just randomly buy anything that's on sale and it will magically go up. It used to be that way, but it is not anymore. There are too many investors, and it's just a lot harder. And Lego is a big contributing factor to that. It has a big problem on its hand. They are making a ton more sets and a lot more different themes, and they've just flooded the market. And I think they're being hit pretty hard. They probably won't reveal what is actually going on because they're a private company. They're not a public company. And I just want to provide, facts and info about why I think this. And I think this will show greatly how the market is. So we just had the Lego Star Wars mechs just come out not that long ago, and I think they're pretty solid. Two of them are for personal use or personal buying, and I think one of them is for investing. These sets just came out and they are already on sale. That just shows that the economy is slowing and that people aren't buying as much Lego as they did before. Like I said, Lego has been pumping out sets and they've just been sitting on shelves. So I pretty much do this full time. I go to stores every single day. I hit up Walmart and Target at least probably 10 times a week. And that's to buy goods and just to see how the market is doing so I can get a gauge of who's buying what and what sets aren't selling. And these sets just have not been selling. Occasionally I might see one or two sold, but they've been fully stocked at every store that I go to. And right now they are on sale for $12.99. That includes all three. We've got the Darth Vader mech, the Star Wars Stormtrooper mech, and the Boba Fett mech. This is a bad sign, and like I said, I think eventually you're going to see the market change a lot more because Lego will adjust their production, how much they make in production, and just how much stock they have. If you're familiar with the Lego company, you know they open or bought, and I don't know if it's open yet, but they bought a new facility in the US recently, so they're just making a lot more. And that's partly due to investors. I know a lot of people hate investors, but we are the one that have been kind of funding the market and making Lego tons of profits, so they're able to make a lot more. That's just the reality. A lot of people hate it, but that's just the truth. So you should not be buying any of these sets this early on. I think $13 is an okay price. I think they should be $10, but like I said, one of these is only investable. And if you didn't watch my previous video on these, it's the Boba Fett mech. Star Wars is the best theme, and personally I think Boba Fett is probably the best character to invest in. Everyone says we get Boba Fett fatigue, but it's just not true. Boba Fett sets do really, really well. And if you look at like the helmet, for example, that set was out. That was the first one out. It was out for what, like 4 years, and everyone said, "Oh, that's not going to go up in price." It's like $70 now. We're at a $20 profit, and it's been less than a year. So, as always, do your own research. This is just my opinions, and $13 for a set is it's okay, but it's the first year, so I'm holding off on this set. There's not a ton of profit to be made in this set. A best case scenario, I see $10, but if this set doesn't sell the first year and everyone waits till the end of next year and that's when it retires, then there'll be less sets overall, so we might see a little bit more. We might see maybe a $15 profit, but like I said, I'm hoping to see these for $10. And it's just a unique set, and I just like it. I mean, Boba Fett's awesome, and mechs don't really do that good, especially Marvel mechs, but Boba Fett Star Wars mech, that might be the game changer. Only time will tell, so please do your own research, have some fun, make some money. Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.